It is pitch black in here.
Recording.
Alright, motherfucker.
No, pull this. This. Pull it. Yep, get it out of here. Good job. I'm gonna do a burnout. I did a fat burnout and everyone's staring at me. Get a C-span or raise your rear suspension. You think I can start and go? Okay. So here we are the day after Crail and getting new brake pads, taking them out to see which ones I need. New carburetor, new stuff, exhaust, everything. Just need to clean the bike, go over with it. And this is the point where I need to start thinking about upgrading. Do I upgrade bike? Do I upgrade parts? Definitely upgrade the parts because I do want to keep this bike. And I guess I could upgrade bike to a Honda CRF 150, a 450, but then I'll be riding in the dirt Supermoto where this is tar specific, and I know there's an advantage to learning dirt, but here's the thing. If I get this bike up to speed like that guy, Alistair, if you're watching this video, he was much faster than me. And if I can get it up to speed, then I will have accomplished something by taking this cheap Chinese obsolete bike and getting it up to speed with him. Will it ever be as fast as a Honda CRF 150? No, it will not. But if I can get it as fast as the slower guys, then I will have accomplished something. And then At that point, then I think I can upgrade. Because look, I upgraded to the super bike, and I'll say it, I'll admit it. I wasn't prepared. I thought I could ride 1,000cc bikes, and yes, I could ride 1,000cc bikes, but so let's get this upgraded and train ourselves both just how to ride the freaking bike.